Welcome children, continuity of the lesson. Evans tries an O level by Colin Dexter. Children, in my last class I told you that a photocopied sheet had been cleverly and carefully pasted on the last blank page of the question paper to give certain necessary hints to Evans the prisoner to escape from that jail successfully. You see what they have done, Governor? You see these words were being spoken by McClary, the invigilator. He wanted the governor to understand what Evans had done and what his friends had done to help him. His voice trailed off again. Once again, he was unable to finish what he had been trying to say for some time. As the governor dredging the layers of long neglected learning, the governor had studied German, but he had forgotten many important rules of the grammar of that language. So what did the governor try to do? He was trying to dredge the layers of the long neglected learning. Dredge means to bring something up from the bottom. He was trying to bring to his mind the forgotten layers of long neglected learning, so that he could understand the messages written in German language, written in German in the question paper that was given to, or that had been given to Evans the prisoner. The governor wanted to understand the messages, wanted to translate those messages into English. The question paper was before him. Sei sollen dem Skon vera bredeten plan genau folgen der wichtige Zeitpunkt ist 3 Minuten vor and des Examens. These were the words of German which had been written clearly in the question paper, and the governor wanted to understand the meanings of the words and expressions written in German. You must follow the plan already something. He translated the message or messages. Evans had been instructed to follow the plan already something. Here you find the use of the word something. What does it mean? It means the governor was not able to understand the meaning of some words or expressions. The vital point in time is 3 minutes before the end of the examination. Evans had been instructed to be active 3 minutes before the end of the examination. That was the important point for him to note. But something. Again, there were some words and expressions which the governor was unable to understand. Don't hit him too hard. Evans had been forbidden to hit the invigilator very hard. Remember, he had been instructed not to forget that important point. He is a minister. McClary was a minister. That is why Evans had been instructed not to hit him too hard, very hard. And don't overdo the Scots accent. Besides the above points, Evans had been instructed not to overdo the Scots accent. He had been told to use the Scotch accents, but he had been advised against overdoing the Scotch accent. The instructor did not want him to overdo the Scotch accent, did not want him to use that accent unnecessarily. Otherwise, he could attract the suspicious attention of the police officers. A fast approaching siren wailed to its crescendo. When a siren wails, it produces a loud sound. A fast approaching siren wailed to its crescendo. Crescendo, a slow increase in noise, a slow increase in noise. One vehicle came there. The siren wailed to its crescendo. The great doors of the prison yard were pushed back. The jail authorities wanted that vehicle to enter the jail campus. So the great, big and strong doors of the prison yard were pushed back to be opened, and a white police car squealed to a jerky halt beside them. A white police car came near them suddenly and stopped with a jerk. Wailed to its crescendo. A fast approaching siren. They heard the sound of a siren wailing to its crescendo. Crescendo, a slow increase in noise. And a white police car squealed to a jerky halt beside them. A white police car stopped suddenly with a jerk in front of the governor and other people who were there. Detective Superintendent Carter swung himself off the passenger seat. Detective Superintendent Carter came out of the car quickly and saluted the governor. Gave respect to the governor by saluting him. What the hell is happening, sir? He wanted to know what was happening there. He asked that question respectfully. And turning to McClary, Christ, who has hit him? Now his attention was on McClary. He was shocked. The word Christ came out of his mouth to show that he was shocked. He wanted to know who had hit him so badly. But McClary cut across whatever explanation the governor might have given. But McClary did not allow the governor to give Detective Superintendent Carter any answer. He interrupted. Else will be, officer, I know very much. He was telling Carter that Evans and his friends had gone towards the Elsfield Way. McClary knew where Evans had gone. Thank you, children.